You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the very confusing name of this city in Denmark, the Danish way, and how you can easily see it in English. Say it in English. It's the third largest city in Denmark. If you want to learn how to pronounce the other one, stay tuned. Odense is the Danish pronunciation. Odense. I mean, some pronounce it as Odense or Odense. Slightly different pronunciation sometimes depending on the local accent. Odense is how it's pronounced. In English, well, it's generally said as Odense. We do pronounce the D in English. Odense, because it makes a bit more sense. Odense is the Danish pronunciation. Odense in English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.